Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook fried fish snapper with mustard or mustasa soup for our lunch. It's very delicious. First guy, you have to add oil and then deep fry the fish, the two snapper fish. But before I fried it, I marinate with the lemon and also the salt and black pepper. So now guys, I turn the pepper. So now look, as you can see, the snapper fish is ready to sit aside. Look at this, you have to deep fry. So now add like 2 tablespoons of oil and then 1/2 onion chopped, the fresh onion. You have to stir it until half cooked. So when your onions get half cooked, you have to add a 3 clove chop of fresh garlic. If you have tomato, you can add also the tomatoes, but I ran out of tomatoes, but it's okay without tomatoes. Now the lemongrass, first lemongrass I harvested in my garden, and also 2 cups of water and also 1 tablespoon of beef powder or beef stock, or you have no beef powder or beef cube or pork cube or fish cube. So now you have boiled it. So when you want to boil it, so you add another 1/2 tablespoon of beef cube and also the deep fried snapper. So it's really good guys. Please try it and make it. So the fish snapper is a little bit expensive, and also 3 tablespoons of soy sauce is a little bit expensive. I bought this in HEB, but the mustard is cheap. So now you have to sprinkle off the soup. So make even the flavor. So now as you can see, I add the vegetables, the mustard. So don't overcook the mustard because it get mushy. So you try to like half cook. Maybe like after that like 1 minute to boil it when you cover. And then I add also this guys 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And I add salt to taste. So now it's look when you cover that 1 minute, and after then that's it. The food is ready to serve. And this optional only, the onion leaves, or they call escalon. So it's super yummy and delicious. Normally we cook this always in my province or village. So you can use the any kind of bok choy if you have no mustard. So now I add the 1/2 tablespoon of salt to taste. I use the Himalayan salt. So now guys, the food is ready to serve. So subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment, and don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I upload and you're always updated. So I boiled the vegetable like only 1 minute. So now the soup snapper fish, fried fish is ready to serve. So normally we eat this with rice. It's really good guys. You know, mustard is like bitter, but when you eat this, it's not bitter at all. So if you want to spicy or chili, you can add a spicy, but I don't like spicy guys. So now as you can see, I put aside, is ready to serve. So thank you so much. Please leave comment to all my YouTuber, co-YouTuber, silent viewers, on silent subscribers. Please subscribe and please leave comment. Thank you so much for watching my video and visiting my channel. God bless, be safe always, and take care. I love you all, and to all my subscribers, subscribe. Bye. See you my next video. So the food guys, so yummy. Look at this guys. Try it. Especially if a little bit spicy, is really good. You can use any kind of fish. As long you fried fish or uncooked, the fish is not cooked, you can make like laswa.